Hey Kathy, this is Eddie. Just walked around your house and counted up how many windows you have. A lot of times people ask us, how do you clean the windows? When it comes to outdoor window cleaning, we have a special process that's similar to how when you get your car washed, that last bit of slow dripping water. We don't actually use any squeegees or soap when cleaning your outdoor windows. It's a way more efficient process. It's specially purified, filtered water with no minerals and impurities. We scrub your windows really well, and all the dirt and stuff on your windows will sheet off. And when your windows dry, they come out spot and streak free. So, super cool process. And of course, if you'd like to have us come into your home, we definitely have an option there for us to wear funny booties. We'll wear our masks for because of the pandemic and all that. We'll come into your home and treat it like our own, and get those cleaned up for you as well. So when we clean your screens, what we like to do is line them up along your garage, and then we hose them down with our detergent. It gets rid of any of the dirt or mold, and then we wipe the frames down, let them dry, and then by the time we're done with the windows, we'll go ahead and install them, and you're set to go. So down below, pick the package that best meets your needs. I did walk around the house. I noticed that you're starting to get the tiger striping on your gutters and a lot of grass and dirt buildup because of the dry uh, time of year. So if you're interested in a house wash, there's also a package down below that can take care of those needs for you as well. Once again, Eddie, you can call or text me with any questions on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. And I look forward to working with you. Take care.